Hi students, I am Prakash, Chartered Accountant and acting as Academic Advisor in Masterminds. Are you aware that CMA final question paper standards have completely changed? In earlier attempts of CMA final, we used to get copy-paste style problems from ICMA study materials. But now large number of problems are being picked up from CA final sources. Don't believe me blindly. In June 2024 attempt question papers of CMA final, every problem which was not there in CMA final study material was taken directly from CA final. But several coaching centers have not upgraded and still teaching in the old pattern. Unfortunately, students are realizing that they have chosen a wrong coaching academy only after getting failed. If you really want to know which academy is best for your CMA final journey, then watch this video till the end. So, launching our CMA final 4th regular batch for June 2025 attempt, and in this video, I will share complete details of both offline and online modes of learning. Made this video as we are receiving calls from students of multiple states about this batch. Dear students, if you are planning to write exams in December 2024 attempt and searching for best online classes, then I have shared all the details in another video. Check the card section in the top right corner as well as description of this video. Now let us see why Masterminds is best coaching destination for your CMA final journey. Our materials are like one-stop solution and we update them every year. We cover 100% of ICMA sources like study material, past exam papers and MQPs. Unlike other academies, we will also cover best and unique problems from CA final sources as well, doing this after thorough research on recent exam question papers of CMA final. This reduces surprise element in the public exams and you can perform well. So we provide experienced and expert faculty team of 9 members for 8 papers. None of our faculty members will teach multiple subjects. We provide best faculty for all the subjects but not for a few selective subjects like other academies. For demo videos of our CMA final faculty team, you can visit our YouTube channel or you can call the mobile number being shown on the screen. We offer 1400 to 1500 hours of in-depth, comprehensive and detailed coaching. You cannot meet the present examination standards through 100 pages materials, 100 hours of coaching per subject. Please be aware of such cheating. So we teach everything from basics to advanced level. Don't forget that we shall teach up to CA final standards in required areas. Before joining in any academy, please check the number of pages of material and the number of hours of classes that they are providing. My dear students, we know CA final standards very well as we successfully completed 30 regular batches of CA final. That's why we have edge in CMA final coaching as well as results. Better to avoid academies which don't offer CA final coaching, since now CMA final exams have somewhat reached to the standards of CA final. Now we offer 3 flexible modes of learning. Number 1, face-to-face classes for all the subjects under one roof. So classes from August 31st and batch will be available in Guntur. For best results, come out of comfort zone and choose this option. Very few academies offer face-to-face classes since it is not a profitable option. Own hostel facility is also available. The second option is live to home batch. Face-to-face classes are live telecasted using encrypted software and you can get your doubts clarified through our chat facility. And we do offer recorded videos. If you have any challenges in attending face-to-face classes, then live to home option is the best option. Choose recorded videos as a last resort. Unlike others, we provide the videos that are recorded in face-to-face classes. To purchase the video courses, install our app or visit our website. Details are available on the screen. We offer recordings in 100% English as well as mixed language of English plus Telugu. And we teach all the classes in 100% simple English. Hence every student can comfortably understand the same. We have 22 years of legacy in CMA courses and we successfully completed 3 exclusive regular batches of CMA final as well. For distraction-free learning experience, we conduct classes for full day, that is 10 hours per day. For better concentration, we will change the subject for every 1.5 to 2 hours. Unlike other institutions, we will not make you sit idle due to faculty's busy schedule. We will strictly conduct classes as per the announced timetable. We have an excellent track record of completing syllabus in 6 to 6.5 months earlier also. So unlike others, we will also conduct weekend exams on every Sunday at par with public exam standards. We provide suggested answers immediately after completion of the exam. We will even evaluate the papers and will return back them to you. So study hours and revision exams will be conducted for 2.5 to 3 months after syllabus completion. Ours is the only institution to conduct weekend exams as well as revision exams aligned with public exams. We will also issue workbook. Based on what we teach, you shall solve few problems on your own. After that, we'll provide detailed solutions as well in the workbook. So this concept of workbook will help you to handle even a new or complex problem in the exam. For every 10 days, our team will provide you with a copy of performance report, and you can track your performance and you can take corrective action. Dear students, in spite of this many best features, we don't charge any exorbitant fee. Our fees is quite affordable and we provide free coaching to our old SSP program students of CMA course. My dear students, it's very easy for everyone to claim to be the best, but it's not so easy to show the results. Here are the evidences for the quality of education that we are providing. In CMA results of June 2024 attempt, our students achieved 39 All India ranks along with All India first rank and third rank in CMA final and All India third rank in CMA Inter. My dear students, this is not 39th rank. These are 39 ranks. I know that several institutions might have not achieved this many ranks in their entire lifetime. In CMA results of December 2023 attempt, our students achieved 85 All India ranks in CMA Inter and Final, along with All India second rank in CMA Final and All India fifth rank in CMA Inter. In all stages of CMA course, till now, our students have achieved cumulative total of 1048 All India ranks and first rank for 16 times. Yes, everybody can understand how huge that number is. My dear students, now everybody got clarity that Guntur is the best coaching destination for CMA course. From Guntur city alone, 87 students achieved All India ranks in December 23 results. Similarly, in June 24 attempt, 31 students from Guntur city alone have achieved All India ranks. No other city is even closer to this. Remember, my dear students, Guntur is very small compared to places like Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. But our students are able to get this many ranks due to the quality of our coaching. Now here are the details of our faculty team for upcoming CMA final regular batch. So CMA final corporate and economic class by CA and CMA Sainath sir having 6 years of experience. Strategic financial management by Naka Srinivas sir, who is a chartered accountant having 10 years of teaching experience. And direct taxes by Ramachandra sir, who is a chartered accountant having 19 years of experience. Strategic cost management by CA Uday Kumar sir with 7 years of experience. Cost and management audit by Pranay sir having 9 years of experience. Corporate financial reporting by CA Amarendra sir having 7 years of teaching experience. Indirect taxes by CA Rajshekhar sir with 17 years of experience. So strategic performance management and business valuation. In this, SPM will be dealt by CMA Badsha sir having 9 years of teaching experience and BV will be dealt by Prasad sir having 7 years of teaching experience. So if you like this video, press the like button. For more such latest updates, subscribe to this channel. Please do share this video to your needy friends and here are our contact details. All the best, my dear students.